was the play last night, right? I told you guys yesterday. I told you NVIDIA yesterday, right? You think it'll hold up with the tariff news? Yes. Actually, the tariff news will get the market to calm down a little bit, believe it or not. So we'll see. Apple's up 2.5% right now. NVIDIA's up 6% right now. SPY is up over a full percent right now. Good. How is the quality right now? Can you see and hear me and everything's okay? Nice. This sounds great. Okay, thank you. Oh, we're getting price updates. Let's see. NVIDIA price maintained at 160. All right. Should be live now over on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitch, Twitter, Rumble, Kick, all the things now. Again, I'm streaming from my truck using the, I don't know if you guys can see it behind me, but I've got my Starlink Mini up there. Can you guys see it by chance? Right there. Yeah, I'm in a Cybertruck. Tesla's up 2.5% this morning. Yeah, Starlink's awesome. I've got the unlimited, I don't know if they call it roaming, but it's an unlimited plan. So basically anywhere in the country, as long as I can see the sky, $150 a month, I have unlimited data. Now I could be streaming, off my phone, tethering it, things like that. But the problem is because I do a lot of this video feed, it doesn't, I'm using like 8 and 10 gigs a day when I stream live like this. So the tethering doesn't work. Thank you, Diamond Trading. Good to see you. Diamond, I saw you just subscribed, I think, on TikTok. I saw you last night pop in there, or this morning, I can't remember. Thank you. Appreciate you all being here. We're going to have a good day. We are going to have a good day. Hope you guys are ready for that. Sorry, just messing with some settings here. Appreciate all of you. Yeah, do me a favor. Make sure you guys click that share. Double tap that screen. Thank you. Looks like there's a rose unlock up there. Somebody want to throw a rose? If you throw a rose, I think it unlocks the next level. Thank you. You think SPY will hold and come back up, or get back everything from last night? Excuse me. You guys know that typically, right, if it runs up in the pre-market, at the open, it will want to pull, meaning people will want to collect the money. And then we'll see where it goes. Thank you for that rose that that unlocked it. I don't know if that unlocks like the next goal or whatever, but thank you. Thank you, gang. Next goes up, little heart me's. Helps the algorithm. Good morning. You guys should be able to see me on TikTok, on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, all the other things as well. Gonna have an amazing day. Listen, if you guys are interested in joining us, by the way, AmericanDreamTrading.com. You know, we are the leaders in stock market education. Appreciate you all being here. Zio, I saw this one pop up this morning. This Zio, it's got 1.7 million volume, 16 million free float. We'll keep an eye on this one today. Zio, Z-E-O. Don't really see anything else. Soxel, up almost 8% now, following with NVIDIA earnings from yesterday. That's nice. Soxel, if you guys remember, I told you guys when it was around $7 to scoop that back up. It hit $19.50 and now we're closing back in on $19. Congratulations on that if you listened. Tesla, of course, just skyrocketing. Told you about Tesla again. Told you to get in there 6 weeks ago at what was it? 220. 220. Told you to get in on that, right? Does everybody remember that? Right there? Yeah, that was about 6 weeks ago. Tesla now at 365. You realize Tesla's only about $100 away from all-time highs, right? Incredible. Yes, this is live. Yeah, little heart me's are next little thing is up there. Greeting hearts. Whatever the hell that is. Do me a favor. Click those little greeting hearts. Help boost the algorithm. Yes, I'm in here very early for you this morning. We did another $1 million plus day yesterday. Amazing. Crushing the market. Today, of course, I'll go live as usual from 9 to 11. I do that every single day. I have for the last 3 years. My name is Chad, by the way, aka The Coach. I've been in the stock market for 33 years. I've trained over 1 million people. I am the president of American Dream Trading. We are the largest and fastest growing stock market education company in the country. Well over $250 million in profits for our community here. We've retired over 200 people. We've made 12 millionaires since doing this 3 years ago. 10 of them had never traded a day in their life. Ulta, let's take a peek. Not enough volume. There's no volume in Ulta, AK. Zero volume in that. There's ZEO. There's that pop. Remember I said ZEO. Keep an eye on that. Getting good volume. Just remember, if you guys trade in the pre-market, there's no stops, right? So since there's no stops in the pre-market, you have to use mental stops. So go in by position size. Position size and mental stops, okay? 17, can I start trading with $300 to my name? Nope, technically you can't trade until you're 18, but you can get a Guardian account with your parents. So check that out with your brokerage. But don't start with any money. No, you should be paper trading and simulate trading only. Blizzy, don't start with any real money. Okay? That's not how you succeed at this. I say it every day. I want you guys to be trading with simulated paper accounts, not real money. That's how you learn, get your mechanics, figure out the rhythm, what the stocks like to do, when they do what they do, and why they do it, right? Learn how to get in and out and start to watch those 2 to 3 stocks and see which ones you want to trade. I recommend starting with Ford or Apple on the larger side. There goes ZEO, 141%. ZEO, that's the one I called out earlier this morning. ZEO, 132, 34, 36, 137% now. ZEO, that's a free one for you today. If you guys were in my VIP, by the way, that I'm going to be in over there at 8 o'clock this morning. I have VIP every single day for VIP members. We start at 8 o'clock for them. I'll be in there getting them prepped and making them money right out of the gate. Again, if you guys are interested, AmericanDreamTrading.com. Do you know anything about high ticket sales? Yes, I do. Blizzy, we are one of the most successful stock market companies in the U.S. and startup companies. Hey, what's up, Doug? Good to see you, buddy. Just getting the systems fired up. There's Doug, one of our moderators right there, just popped into our TikTok live feed. Doug, we should also be live over on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitch. Good morning. Yep, absolutely. Getting it done in here already, just having some conversations. Doing the things. Yep, doing all the things. And the clickety click clack click clack. Just over here enjoying my delicious Diet Coke. And a coffee. I've been doing that now every day. It's my new jam. Yes, get that diamond membership. Ends tomorrow. Blizzy, like I said, start learning from us and do not use real money. Go over to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Sign up for our free Discord. This is not the cheesy Discords that you guys see all over TikTok. This is a real professional training and education system. Go over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and sign up for the free Discord. Make sure you validate your account, verify it. Otherwise, the system will kick you off within 24 hours. We don't have a bunch of fake accounts. Yes, yes. Get over there. What platforms are used to actually trade with? I use Webull, Lightspeed, and Robinhood. Oh, and TD. I train everybody with Webull, though, as you can see on my screen. Webull is free to use. Excellent charting systems. You can also day trade with it, which we do a lot. It's up to you, though. Once I get you to the millions, you want to look at like Interactive Brokers or Lightspeed. It's just faster. You will, of course, pay a lot more money to use it, but it's so much faster. ZEO, 125%. Still staying up nice and tall on ZEO. Thank you again for those roses. If you guys would do me a favor, make sure you click that follow and share. If you're feeling extra amazing this morning, go ahead and throw them gifts up there. I see we've got stars, heart me's, all sorts of stuff. If you guys want to do that, it does help the algorithm. Clickety click, do the things, throw the gifts. Yay. I know roses are a penny. Literally, it's a penny, but it helps the algorithm, right? Whatever we got to do to feed this machine. We want to help as many people as we can here at American Dream Trading. Good morning. Appreciate you. Thank you for those GGs, Britt Miss. I see it. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for those follows. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. You can do that on TikTok as well. Just click that subscribe up there on the top. Thank you. Just to show support. We trade stocks, options, futures, and crypto here. Nice, nice. Josh, brand new, looks like brand new memberships. Just subscribed. Welcome. Good morning. Just checking everything out. What is this? Looking good. You've been taking small gains from ZBCN all weekend. Nice job. Good job. Nice work. Thank you for those follows. I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you for those gifts. Appreciate it. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully you can see and hear me okay. I'm a newbie. I'm too scared to trade. Well, don't start trading yet. Hey, good morning. Don't start trading yet. Just paper trade, right? Webull has a free paper trading account. Let me look. Paper trading right here. Sure. There you go. Paper trading. This is what it looks like. See it? Do I think Spike 6900 is a good coin? Honestly, I don't know what that is. My crypto gang, I'm sure, knows what it is, but I do not know what that is. I have no idea. I do not know. Predictions on XRP. I like XRP. Can I take a look at coin? Absolutely. Coin 2.26%. You can see that obviously that had that huge run up there this morning. Bitcoin. Now remember, coin's going to follow, just like Coin Riot, Mara, all those MSTR, they're all going to follow Bitcoin. How do I handle FOMO on a day like this? I'm so used to the market after 33 years of doing this, it doesn't faze me. I don't get FOMO. We trade the trades, meaning whatever the market's going to give us today. Now listen, we already anticipate that at the open, right, there's going to be a huge sell-off. So then I'll look for support and check to see when I can go back in to long it. Otherwise, I'll short it on the way down, and then I'll long it on the way up. So I don't worry at all about FOMO and chasing things. That does not faze me one bit. I love PLTR. I always have. I've been talking about PLTR since it was like $4. Do I believe an alt season is coming? Yes, it's now. Alt season's now. Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin's an all-time high. You are in the alt season. You're always in the good alt season when Bitcoin is running hot, and it is now. I'm scared to execute live in stocks, but I have a few hundred crypto to start. Well, there you go. Join our crypto group. Absolutely. We have tons of crypto kings and queens over here. Get over there. AmericanDreamTrading.com. Thank you for the follows. PLTR at 8, sold it at 27 in the beginning. Yikes. It's all right. Hey, you made some good money on it, right? Yep, that's not bad. It's not bad at all. You 3 extra count, or 3 extra the amount you made on it. That's good. I mean, obviously, look at what it is today, but you didn't know back then. Yeah, that's okay. It's no big deal. I mean, this is all a part. It's just a learning experience, right? Just get in, start learning, get educated. You cringe now, yeah. I hear ya. That's okay. I had Tesla when it IPO'd and sold all of it. Now I just have what I have in my long term, but I sold it all in the beginning. You know, that happens. I bought and sold so many things over the years, and I'm like, if I would have just held on to those long terms, you know, longer. But it is what it is. You outed the NASDAQ by 1%. Nice job. Good job. Yeah, it's a game changer when you get in here with this group, right? Because, I mean, we have people make, some of our members are making close to $1 million a day now. Hey, good morning. Obviously, results not guaranteed, but sell off today. Hugo, as you know, and I always talk about it, is if it runs up in the pre-market, look for a sell-off at the open, right? Just because people want to collect their money from the day before. No, I'm never live at this time. I'm only ever live at 9 a.m. Eastern time. I'm in my VIP room at 8 a.m. Eastern every day with our paid members for VIP. But no, normally I don't go live until 9. I'm just got in here early today. I sat down. I was doing my work. I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to pop in and go live. But no, normally that's not the case. Hey, what's up, Crispy? Do you do options? Yes. Stocks, options, futures, and crypto. Yep. Every day, all day. Bidu, we'll see. Yeah, we'll see about that if it recovers or not, right? Listen, as long as the stocks, you know, as long as there wasn't some major catastrophic events, typically they'll bounce back. Obviously, if the company's not going in the right direction or they keep continuing to lose money, then I don't hold on to losers. I don't trade biases, Chris. Tariffs blocks, what do I think? I think it's overreaching by the judges, personally. Presidents have always been allowed to set tariffs. What do I think for the market? I think that's good news, actually, for the market, just because people don't know what they didn't know what to do with the tariffs, right? So as far as the market goes, that's actually a good thing for the block. But personally, way overreach. Good morning. Thank you, La Menquita. I hope I said that right. Beautiful name, by the way. Thank you for the rose. Britt Miss, thank you for the gifts. Appreciate that. Yeah, it should just be temporary. I mean, they'll have to appeal it and see what's going to happen, but we'll see. We will see. But for today, right, we'll just trade the trades. NVIDIA to 150. Yeah, we'll see. I don't know about that, but we'll see. Not today. I mean, could it? Sure. Will it? Most likely not. Unless some big global news comes out. How do you get in the VIP room? Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com, scroll down to pricing, join the VIP. Yep. VIP members, by the way, get access every day from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. So that's 12 hours a day. He swung deep call for earnings. Smart. I like that. Smart. As long as you had longer out expirations, I always talk about 90 plus days out, right? Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. I just pinned it, or I just posted it right there. NVIDIA is maintained at buy by Rosenblatt. Okay, thanks. NVIDIA target raised to 200 a share. Yeah, okay. Here it comes, right? Do I have a YouTube? Yes, American Dream Trading. We're live over there as well right now. I'm going to use the restroom here in a second, but I'm going to leave my system on just so you guys can hang out in here for a minute. And then I'll be right back. Let me go use the restroom, and then I'll come back and we'll do some more stock talking. While I'm going over there, everybody go to AmericanDreamTrading.com and sign up on our free Discord. How about that? How's that sound? Give me 1 second, and I will be back in just a moment. I'll leave the system up. I'm just going to close the video screen, but I'll be right back. I'll be back. I'll be right back, gang. The mic's still on. Sorry, is it loud? All right, I'm back. What'd I miss? What happened? Who dat? What'd I miss? Anything go on? Anybody see anything amazing? What happened? Thank you again for all those gifts. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I appreciate it. Thank you, Doza. I see you just joined. Did you subscribe, Doza? Is that what that it was over there? I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Can't seem to find the free Discord. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Go to pricing. And you'll see it. It's listed right there. Can you see it? Opening up the website now. Again, AmericanDreamTrading.com. Click on pricing. Scroll down. It says join community. Pick this plan. Do you see it now? Let me know. Can you see it? Should be up on my screen now. Does everybody see it? So if you go to AmericanDreamTrading.com, see it up on the top? Okay, awesome. And then all you got to do is click on pricing right here. It takes you right here. Now listen, if you want VIP or any, some of the other memberships that we're talking about and you can't see them, click on Other Services button right here or right here. No, you don't have to pay to join. It's free. Discord is free. You see them right here? Again, American Dream Trading, scroll down. 160. We got to update this. This is over 250 million now. Live testimonials. There's some of our plans. So anyways, AmericanDreamTrading.com get yourselves all set up. Oh, you can click get started and take it to there too. See it? Oh wow, crypto is still showing. Crypto is still only 500 for the year in there. You guys see that? Nice. Any hot runners now? Yep, I'll show you one in just a second. Yeah, that one, that ZEO was one that we were looking at this morning. Thank you for those follows. Yeah, ZEO. This is one that I called out this morning. Had a nice pop. 4 million volume, low floater. Thank you, Britt Miss. Thank you for the heart me. I appreciate that. Thank you. There we go. I put the heart me's up there. Appreciate it. Yep, trying to get to 100 subscribers over here on TikTok. Do me a favor, click that subscribe. Thank you. Yeah, don't worry. I'll be live back in here again at 9 a.m. I'm live every day from 9 to 11. 9 to 11 every day. Thank you. Appreciate everybody being in here. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thank you. Appreciate all those little gifts, the follows, the subscribes. Thank you, A9889AD. I see you joined. Thank you. Was that a subscription, by the way? Is that what that is when that happens? On my end, it just says joined. Thank you. Thank you for following. Chris, I see you. Thank you for following. Thank you, Chinito. Thank you for the follows. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it. You'll be back for 9-ish. Good. Good to see you. Yeah, good to meet you too. Appreciate you. I'm here every day. I've been here every day for the last August 1st will be 3 years. I've been live every single day doing this. Yep. I appreciate it. Thank you. We're going to be watching lots of stocks today. Thank you for those follows. Thank you. Got that new Heart Me goal up there. Thanks. I'm going to trade with y'all. No fear. Yep. Appreciate it. Just remember, if you're a newer trader, yep, no worries. Thank you. If you're a newer trader, don't use real money, right? Just paper trade, simulate trade only. I don't want anybody blowing up their accounts with real money. Here's a runner, VCIG. VCIG right here, 512K volume. Low float. 10 million low float. Right here. VCIG, starting to get some volume in here, right here. VCIG. Previous hot stock pick. VCIG. Marking it right here. 550, checking the L2s. 530 support. 592 is resistance. Staying just above VWAP. We're on the 1 minute. Just remember, if you are trading in the pre-market, there's no stops in there. So you have to use mental stops. So please be careful. Trade with correct position sizes that you're not afraid of. Don't go crazy, right? There's no halts in the pre-market unless the SEC sees something irregular. And yes, then they can halt it. But there's not the typical circuit breakers in pre-market. So pre-market is more dangerous, okay? Now, yesterday, if you were a part of the show, I let you know that NVIDIA was going to move the entire market, which it did. Had a nice pop. There goes VCIG. Look at that. Beautiful. Right? Didn't I said support was down there at 32, right? 532. Yep, it hit 528 and bounced all the way back up to $6. Hey, what's up, Mark? Mark's on vacation. One of our latest millionaires and moderators inside of the room right here. That's Mark McC. Good to see you, buddy. Appreciate you. Love your face. Hope you're having an amazing vacation. Nice, nice. I love that when people stare but don't say anything. Like, don't wave, don't smile, just stare. Morning coffee, nice. Morning, morning. Thank you. Appreciate you all being here. Everybody doing research. So yeah, this hit that 532. It's about 528. Popped up to 6. Pulled right back. Now remember, I said, right, at $6 there was resistance. There was a huge wall up there. Hit that wall, pulled back, sold off. Thank you for following over there. Cigarette. Nice name. We'll keep NVIDIA up over here. Looking for sell-off on NVIDIA up to the bell. We'll see what it wants to do. Everybody's going to want to collect big time on that, right? Maybe it's been asked, why are you in my car? I just like to not be at the home office all the time. So every once in a while, I will stream live from my car. I just want to get out of the home office. You got to remember, I've been doing this live every day for almost 3 years. So if I can get out of my home office, enjoy the fresh air. I'm literally downtown Colonial Williamsburg right now. I'm literally downtown hanging out. Big dip, then rip. We'll see. We'll see. Most likely there's going to be quite a bit of collection at the open with NVIDIA. I mean, it ran up 6%, right? Looking for a massive sell-off at the open. But we'll see, right? Do I have any insight on Joby? I can pull it up for you. Let's take a peek. There's no volume at all. It's like we had a spike yesterday. Went from, well, 675. Did they have earnings or something? Is that why that moved? Let me see. $12 ago, got a hold on. 16 hours ago right here. $250 million from Toyota. Got it. Okay. And a $500 million strategic investment used to help attain certifications for its eVTOL aircraft, as well as to advance its manufacturing and production capabilities. Okay. All right. Yeah, no, that's good. That's a good sign, but I don't like that there's no volume, right? Teach me how to trade. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Join the free Discord, or of course watch me live every day. I'm live here every day from 9 to 11 for stocks and options. I've been trading futures though the last couple of months, trying to promote our futures area. And then Mark goes live every day from 2 to 4 o'clock. He's on vacation this week. That's why the lives haven't been there. But 2 to 4 o'clock if you guys are interested in futures. And then we are live again every night at 5 o'clock for the aftermarket show. Yeah, the CRWV has just been banging. It's doubled since it's IPO'd. How to join? AmericanDreamTrading.com. There you go. I'll actually pin that. There, you guys will see it up on the top. AmericanDreamTrading.com. Yeah, I'm in my vehicle today. They call it my mobile command center. Have everything I need in here just to get out of the home office for the day. Typically, you guys will see me streaming at my home office every day, right? Thank you for joining. Appreciate that. Thank you for those follows and those gifts. Just remember, when you join the free Discord, make sure you verify your account. Still here. I'm really going now, though. Thank you, Britt. I appreciate the follow. We'll see you later today. Don't worry. I'll be live. Technically, I'll be live at 9 o'clock today. All right. Hey, what's up, James? Is this penny stock? The one I'm looking at? No. This is that IPO that came out, CRWV. It's doubled in size since it IPO'd. By the way, we had that in our IPO list. So if you were a paid member, you would have known about that before everybody else. Yes, thank you. Thank you for being here. ZEO had a nice pop. We hit that one this morning. Thank you, James, for the follow. Thank you, thank you. Good morning. Hey, what's up, Humble? There's Ange. Good to see you, hon. Hope you're doing well today, ready to rock and roll. Ange doing a great job over there. She's been taking over for Mark while he's been on vacation. She's been training everybody in futures, doing a great job. One of our amazing moderators over there, finding huge success with our group. Gilly, another moderator right there. What's up, Gilly? Good to see you in here. Appreciate you. Gilly, one of our social media moderators. Always making sure everything's cool and nobody's acting silly. Good to have you all here. I've been streaming for over an hour now this morning, I believe. Yeah, that's weird, Mark, that's showing up. That should not be showing up like that. Nice, nice. Good to see you all. Oh, I see what you mean, Mark. Okay, I got you. All right, I'm following you now. There we go. Let me know, Mark, if that's better. Should be good. Those of you that are watching over on TikTok, are you able to see all the chat below me? If you're using the portrait mode on your phones, are you guys able to see all the chat? Okay, cool. Thank you, Mark. Cancel. Yes? Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, good deal. Yay. All right. So you guys can see everything now. Okay, perfect. Let me move this right over here. There we go. There we go. Hopefully that's better. Thank you. 100 people in here right now. Good to see you all. About 10 minutes, I'm going to be joining the VIP room. 10 minutes, I'll be coming over and joining VIP. You guys want to go with me today for free into our VIP area? We never do that. You guys want a little behind the scenes of VIP? Let me know. Type in a 1 if you want to see it. Type in a 1 if you guys want to go into our free, into our paid VIP area for free today. It's $500 a month. Thank you. Absolutely. There we go. Thank you. That's better. Yep, Anne's been there. Yep, almost a year and a half now. Crazy, right? Isn't that crazy? Time's going by so fast. We're almost up on 3 years of me being live here every day. It's crazy. I started American Dream Trading over 5 years ago, but I've been streaming live every day since August 1st. Every single day. It's been a wild ride, and I appreciate all of you being here. Manicures and coffee to retirement. Yup. I love that. Yeah, when Ann started, it was just, to get a little bit extra money for her manicures and coffee, and a little hobby. And now it fully retired her. She's a moderator here at American Dream Trading. I mean, now she's training people on futures. She helped us get that entire futures services set up, right? It's amazing. I mean, look at what you can do here at American Dream Trading. Sky's the limit. The only limit you will have is yourself. Don't set any limits on yourself, right? Yes, absolutely. Sorry, I'm just letting everybody know that I'm going to be streaming live out of that VIP room. I have to tell them to watch their language and stuff. Sometimes it can get a little nutto. Yes, deep dive training. Deep dive training to make millions. Yes, absolutely, Mark. No exaggeration there at all, right? Mark being one of our latest millionaires. By the way, Mark, after working with us for a couple of years and fully retiring, first year at American Dream Trading, now started a $700 futures account in late October and turned it into $1 million. It's incredible. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah, Mark, enjoy that vacation, buddy. You definitely deserve it. You earned it. I hope you guys are having an amazing time. Just relax, take a break. Mark's like me. There's really no like real vacation because we're always in work mode. Definitely cut from the same cloth. Yeah, I don't do lazy, I guess. I don't want to just laze around. I'd rather be working. It's but sometimes, it's good to recharge the old batteries. Definitely. Made money on vacation that paid for my vacation. I saw that. That's so awesome. Love it. Like I said, right? Where else can you go as long as you have internet access and a phone or a tablet or a computer or a laptop or a Chromebook where else can you go and just make money literally anywhere in the world, right? Get that diamond. I'm ready for trade TV. Yes, me too. It's just the logistics is going to be so hard. That's the only reason I haven't turned it on yet. I'm worried about, charging people a membership, but then not really knowing what times we're going to be live and like, oh, we're just going to jump in right now. And like, so I'm trying to figure out how that piece is going to work. I'm really trying to figure that out. Do I have to lock moderators in a room and go, you're going to trade in here? Like, it just, great idea, super hard to implement. But I am definitely ready for it. ADT TV will be awesome. Absolutely. By the way, today I haven't talked about our services, but if you guys are interested in any of the services that we have, you can go to americandreamtrading.com. We do have a free Discord. Just click on pricing, scroll down. Yeah, it might be lagging a little bit. I do keep seeing it now, saying service is acting funny. But anyways, if you go to our website, go to pricing, you can start. Our monthly membership is $125. You guys will get early access into Zoom at 8:45 to 4 o'clock every day. So 8:45 Eastern to 4 p.m. You can train and trade with us. You'll get all the hot stock picks, the IPO center, and the videos on demand to get you started. We've also got the VIP area that you're about to go into. That is $500 a month for our VIP membership. With that, you'll get early pre-market access starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day. You can train and trade with us. Highly recommend VIP regardless of your experience in the stock market. You guys will also get the VIP lounge workshop classes that we put on once a month. That is included for you for VIP members. You'll get the TradingView indicators. We're at TradingView Indicators 3.0. You guys can get into those. We've also got our VIP Gold. If you're a VIP member, you can get a gold add-on for an additional $250 a month. Of course, we have annual services, lifetimes, etc. But those are mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support, weekend training every Saturday. We have our news service with that. Breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. That's a small, intimate group for additional training you guys will have with the gold. Everything is recorded, so if you have work or anything and you have to miss something, everything is recorded for gold members. We also have the live Apple chat in beta over there where one of our training moderators, David, who's made over 600K so far, is just doing the 2-minute EWO on Apple and showing you exactly how he's doing that. We have our futures membership starting at $250 a month. You'll get training just like this every day from 8:45 to 4 o'clock. That's full Zoom training and trading with a live open microphone just like we have in here. You guys will be able to get access to that. Same with crypto. Both of those starting at $250. Trading view indicators, training, live Zooms, etc. Otherwise, right now, this is the last time for the sale. Is you guys can get a diamond lifetime membership for $5K. That is all of our membership services today and in the future. $5,000. That is a $50,000 service that we normally sell for 20 grand today for 5. Yes, Discord is pinned up top, AmericanDreamTrading.com. So check out that. Those are our products and services. I'm going to go live right now into our VIP. I'm going to take all of you with me right now. Do me a favor. Everybody click those roses if you want me to go into our VIP area right now. Go up top, click the roses or the little heart me over here on TikTok if you want me to do that. Helps the algorithm. I'm not after your 1 penny for a rose. It just helps the algorithm. Start throwing roses in there. Fire it up. Fire it up. Thank you, Bucko, for the rose. Come on, double tap that screen. There we go. Come on, get the algorithms going. You guys are about to go into a $500 a month VIP service area. Let's go. Going into VIP now. A little behind the scenes here. We never do this. I want you guys to see what this is about. Here we go.
To read that name, but my dyslexia is going crazy. Pistol Trader? Pistol Trader, sorry.
Good morning. 1 second, everybody.
You know, like a pistol. Like
if you guys can hear me.
Oh, Coach is there. Listen,
Can you
Coach.
guys
Yes,
hear
Coach,
me?
we hear you. Yes.
All right, listen real quick.
Yes.
Listen real quick. Today we are live. I am streaming live right now. You are live across the world. I'm giving them inside access to VIP today, which they've never seen before. You are all live on the internet. Everybody want to say good morning? Go ahead and open your mics, VIPs.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Morning from Arkansas.
Grand Rising.
From Rhode Island.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
In VTS, Ronnie.
Good morning.
Look at Coach, just giving people a glimpse inside a zone where they can change their life.
That's right. A little bit of craziness right out of the gate.
Yeah.
Just like any other hope dealer. No.
Right. Right. Drinking that Kool-Aid.
Recording in progress.
Drinking the Kool-Aids. Absolutely. Nice job. All right, so everybody that's watching over here on TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Rumble, Kick, all the things every single day starting at 8 o'clock with me in the morning. We are live in VIP from 8 until 9 when you guys see me go live from 9 to 11. VIP members, though, have access every day from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. where they can train and trade inside of that room. So 12 hours a day, 5 days a week. Saturdays, of course, optional if you want to, do that as well. So over 60 hours a week of training and trading with our VIP and VIP Gold members. So good morning, everybody. Appreciate you all being here. Let's rock and roll this thing.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. I am in the mobile command center today. So if the internet is acting a little funky, I apologize. I did try to park in a wide open area. I know I'm probably going to get taps on the window and people wanting to talk about the truck and all sorts of stuff. I will try to not have that. But I just wanted to be in the mobile command center today. You guys know I like to get out of the office. I don't like to be stuck in there all day, every day. So again, apologize if the quality is a little lacking. How about NVIDIA? Anybody? You liking that?
Oh,
I
boy.
loved it.
Whoop,
Loved it,
whoop.
Coach.
Woo!
I'm good with it.
If there was only one place the day before somebody said multiple times that it is going to move the market.
Absolutely. And you know what's cool too? I can't remember who it was, but somebody asked me about those covered calls, right? And I said, you don't want to do covered calls leading into earnings, remember?
Yep, that's
Yep.
correct.
Could you imagine if you would have done a covered call on this thing and it's up 6%?
The thing is, Coach, you know somebody did that.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, absolutely. Yeah, like I said, though, right, from experience, you will learn to not do that type of stuff. Like I said, I would rather hedge it, right? If you wanted to buy a small put to hedge, or like I said yesterday, if you wanted to buy some small call options to hedge to the long side instead of, right, capping yourself with a covered call. It's just a beautiful setup. And those, remember too, when in doubt, straddle it out. You guys know I love to straddle earnings. So that would have been something else that would have been nice. Remember, if you're going to straddle or strangle, we want volatility, right? High volatility is the name of the game because you have to have enough long to go above and beyond the short, in this case a call and a put, or vice versa, because you can't get rid of them in the pre-market. You have to wait for the market to open. So just like today, right? If it runs up, typically everybody in the room, if it runs up in the pre-market, what is it going to most likely want to do at the open?
Pull back.
Profit taking.
That's right.
Take profit.
That's right. So even though it ran up, over 6%, we should start to see this thing pulling. The closer we get to the bell, the more and more and more we should see a pullback. We'll see. And then we're going to look for pullback open. We're going to look for support. So, of course, these key major areas are going to be extra important today. You can see there's a major one at 140. You will mark that now. 140 is a major area. 140 and 137. Those are two large areas of support. We'll see if they pull down into those. Everybody see where I'm grabbing those from previous day and last night post-market?
Talking about NVIDIA?
Yes.
NVIDIA.
So we will keep an eye on those key areas. Now, obviously, if we get in between 140 and 137, you will go back in time. Back in time. Right? So that you can find data. But right now, those are going to be the two major areas that I'm looking for. Now, in a perfect world, what I'd like to see is NVIDIA pull down to 140, hold, and then get new highs. I would love to see that. News too as well, right? So we saw that, not being political, but we saw that some judges are trying to say that tariffs are not going to be controlled by the president, which it's always been controlled by the president since they enacted it, since like 1962, I believe, but whatever. Long story short, that's actually good for the market, right? Because the market will think there's not going to be any more tariff talk, which
Exactly.
but that's not true at all. There'll just be appeals and they'll start to go through that whole rigmarole and process and all that stuff. But if for the market's sake, that is also good for the market. All right. So
Yeah.
people were asking me what I thought of that, and I think I think we got the perfect storm, right, for good things, as at least right now in the short interim. Like I said, if the feds would just come in and lower even the interest rate by 1/4 of a point, this market would already have been new high. We would already be a new high. And that's it. Period. Point blank. Don't care. That's it. So that's really the last thing that we're waiting on is, first there was concerns of tariffs, and that's what caused all the craziness in those first 100 days. Now that that's all kind of balanced out, and now of course we've got more money that is ever in the history of America is starting to pour back into us. Now that all that is kind of calmed down, now consumer sentiment is amazing. Prices are lowered across the board on everything. We're starting to see it. Now the last thing we need is Feds to lower interest rates in this market is set up for absolute explosion to the upside.
Yeah, home sales, everything.
Oh, everything would fly, including
Yeah.
crypto, right? Everybody's asking me if I think alt season is coming. You're in the alt season. When you see Bitcoin is going up, you are in the alt season. Alt season is always when Bitcoin is climbing, right? You don't see it on opposite time frames. You don't see crypto crashing and people talking about altcoins and meme coins. No, when you see Bitcoin going up, you are in the best time for your altcoins. So kings and queens over there in the crypto world, you're in it right now. So enjoy it, right? You see a new Santa Claus coin or whatever, Moon Rider coin. Today is your day, right? So as
Don't
long
forget
as
about
Bitcoin,
fart coin, Coach.
oh yeah, fart coin. Yep, we saw an increase in fart coin since talking
Farts are
about
oats.
that. So yeah, lots of good things. Everybody just hang on to your shirts today. It's going to be another amazing ride. Do not go into this market with a bias. Do not, let me repeat this. Do not go into this market with a bias. Oh, it's going to run all day. It's going to stop. Stop. Stop it. Don't do any of that. You will trade exactly what this market gives you. You will shut down your brain of what you think is going to happen. You will trade the trades. Shut your mouth. Listen, learn, observe, absorb.
And then take those profits and buy the dream. Come on, the diamond. That's what you want to do.
Yeah, tomorrow's the last day for diamond sale. Get it while you can. Otherwise, too bad. So sad. Can't help you. But anyways, today, please, nobody go rogue. Follow all the rules that we have in place. I want everybody on point. Don't be a clown. We don't want to hear, oh, you're never going to believe what I did. I don't want to hear it. You're not doing that. Coach, it would have been great, but I didn't follow one of your rules. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. I'm telling you right now, you're not going to do it. So that's it. Put it in your journal. You got your journals out, right? You're not going to do it. So that's it. I don't want to hear no bullshit today. I would have made $1 million today if I just would have. Stop. I'm helping you right now. I'm going to set you up for success. Stop. Get out of your head. Get out of your way. Do exactly what we talk about in this room and watch the success come. That's it. I don't want to hear it. Coach, if only I would have stopped it. Nope. Out. Not today. Not having it. Nope. This is an account changing style day, right? Whether it goes up or down. Why? Everybody's looking at the market today. There's a lot of volume in this market today. I don't care if it goes up. I don't care if it goes down. There is a lot of volume in the market. And when there's a lot of volume in the market, obviously we can make a lot of money, right? We make a lot of money every day, but I'm just saying, everybody in the world is staring at the stock market today. That's everybody you know who has been telling you, oh, I'm not going to day trade. That's gambling. They're in here today, right? All those people that are hiding in the shadows that are trying to tell you shouldn't do that. They're all in here today. You understand me? All retail investors will be in here today because today they will talk about this all over the news about the market today. So everybody that you've been trying to get into American Dream Trading that keeps talking about, well, that's gambling, I'm not doing that, they'll be here today. Okay? Okay, pumpkin? Okay. Don't worry, they'll be here. They won't tell you they're here, but they'll be here. Right? So be that light. Be that light out there, all my VIP diamond members that are in my room with me right now. You are the light in this darkness. Let's lead them to victory, shall we? Thank you. That's nice.
Let's shine bright like diamonds.
Shine bright like a diamond. That's nice. All right. So anyways, like I said, I'm going to be watching for NVIDIA to pull back literally all the way till the open. If it has a couple of little bounces here and there, yay, but we'll see. We'll see. Now, speaking of that, if this does pull, like continues to pull all the way until market open, then that means there might not be a massive pullback at the open, right? So depending how this leads in that last 30 minutes from 9 to 9:30 is going to be a really good indication of what it's going to do at the open. If it stays up really tall, I'm looking for massive sell-off. If it bleeds down until from like 9 to 9:30, not so much, right? Because people are like, oh, I've already, it's already down a little bit. I'm going to wait. So we're going to see. We're going to see how it leads into the market to give me a good feel on what's happening. But again, when in doubt, just listen to the sound of my voice. I will walk you through it. I will guide you there. You'll be all right if you're a new trader, and because you're listening to VIP right now, so this is not normal for you. If you are a new trader, you will paper and simulate trade only. You will not use real money. And again, thank you everybody who's watching for free. Do me a favor. Type in a 1 if you like this type of content. You are listening to us in a VIP area. This is a huge paid area that only paid members have access to. You guys are a part of that right now. So if you like this, do me a favor. Type in a 1, double tap that screen. Make sure you click follow. Subscribe if you haven't across the board on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Rumble, Kick, Twitch, Twitter, all the things. Do all the stuff. So you guys can even subscribe to TikTok. That'd be great. Thank you. Appreciate you. I've been streaming live now for an hour and a half. Appreciate everybody being here. Moderators, we have a goal. I'm going to get you there. You understand me? I set up a goal. We do everything we can to meet it. Am I right, moderators?
Right there with you, Coach.
100%.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
We believe in you.
Yep.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
I think you failed to mention that if you do get the diamond, you get to join the mentorship, which is going on today at 11 o'clock.
That is true.
That's what I look forward to every Thursday.
Yes, thank you very much. Yes, also included with your Diamond Lifetime membership is the mentorship program, which, by the way, that is $500 alone just for the mentorship program. We've got a lot of people who in here has been a part or is a part of the mentorship program. Anybody else in here?
Yes, sir.
I'm here, Coach.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely.
It's
Incredible.
Good. I was
Yes,
just going to
sir.
ask, do you guys like the mentorship program? Is it worth its weight in gold?
Hey, Coach.
Love it.
The depth
Lord.
and width of the teaching in that specific breakout is through the roof.
Thank you.
Shines bright like a
Before I
diamond.
became a diamond, I had picked up the $47 deal on mentorship,
Yes.
and I loved it, and I couldn't afford to continue on, so I greatly appreciate the diamond.
Yep, absolutely.
I actually was in
Thank you.
tears when I couldn't join the mentorship anymore.
Aw, well, I'm sorry to hear that. Oh, I didn't want to hear that. You make me sad.
No,
Appreciate
you shouldn't. You actually gave me an additional free month because I was being a butthead.
Oh, well, okay.
Or you're being a softie, one of the two or both.
Nice. Well, now I don't feel so bad. Okay, good. I've been known from time to time to do that for people every once in a while, because we care.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
For the people on the fence, I got the diamond about a month ago. And I can tell you guys right now, the last 2 weeks, it's paid for the diamond membership. If you're on the fence, get off the fence. I can't tell you how joyous and how awesome it is, the education you get. And if you focus and you listen and you learn, it will pay you back. I didn't know it was going to pay me back in 2 weeks, but it paid me back already.
That's awesome.
Thank you, Coach.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for letting us know, too. I appreciate that. It always sounds like I'm just trying to sell you guys something, but I'm telling you, right? And I understand $5,000 right now is a lot of money. $20,000 tomorrow will be even more, but $5,000, I understand it's a lot of money. But what we do in the market, the way that we can change your lives, the way that we can work with you right on your long terms and retirements and IRAs and 401ks and SEPs and traditionals and Roths and the stuff that we do in this room, you will never, ever get this type of training as long as you live. You will not. You just will never get this type of training ever. It's never happened before. I've been a part of a lot of groups and paid groups that charged a hell of a lot more than what we do. You don't get that with them. Our only competitor is $10,000 a year, and you can't even talk to them. Right?
Coach, may I say something?
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm getting very close to 200K this month, and
Oh, wow.
it's from this month, 200K. And I've also that's $175,000 worth of wheel strategy that I've used over the last 6 months. So Diamond, I was afraid I was going to lose mentorship, and Diamond is the greatest.
Thank you.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Coach.
Absolutely. Did you guys
Thank
hear
you
that?
to all. Thank you to all your moderators too.
For sure. Thank you so much. You guys hear that? He's made $200,000 this month. Just this month. Oh, I love it.
Dave,
That is incredible.
way to go.
Love it, love it, love it.
Coach, I have a teammate that's with me. My daughter's learning also, so
Oh, that's
we
awesome.
appreciate it. We appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely. What's your daughter's name? I know she's been on this journey with you.
Her name is Angela.
Angela. Hey, another Angela. Okay, awesome. Good to have you in here, Angela, if you can hear me.
Well, she did a little work last night, so she's still sleeping.
Oh,
So
no worries. Well, let her know, man. We appreciate her being here. You are training her on something she will be able to use the rest of her life and pass down, right?
that is my goal, sir.
Yep, absolutely. I love that. My favorite thing, right? Our own Ange, same thing in here. She's working with her son and others. That's my favorite thing is when you guys come in and you start training, right? Your family members and friends. And I mean, this is what we're doing this for. This is literally going to change lives. Completely 100% will change lives.
Could I ask a favor?
Yes.
When you go through your thank yous and you say first responders, can you add ultrasound text too? Because that's what she is. She's an ultrasound tech.
That's awesome. I'll try to remember it today. I will try.
So she's the first responder also.
Yeah, absolutely. Yep. That's why I say doctors and nurses. I kind of included in there, right? I can't say farmers, and there's all sorts of people I would love to say in there, but the list is already so long, right?
Yeah, I know, Coach.
Yeah, but I appreciate it. Everybody that helps, yeah, absolutely. X-ray technicians. I mean, there's so many, right? So many people, mammogram monitors. My wife used to, monitor the telemetries for heart patients. I mean, I get it. I appreciate everybody. I really do.
She works in the ERs around our town in Dallas.
Oh, very cool. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Wow.
All right, thank you, Coach.
Yeah, absolutely. Ange just offered up something amazing. I appreciate that. I'm going to offer this up right now, especially while we can do it before we get live here. Okay, so this is a first time. Are you guys ready for this? Now I'm going to get everybody ready so you can do it now. The next person right now that buys a Diamond Lifetime membership for $5K today, you must pay in full, no payments and all that stuff. That makes it too hard when you do that, at least for the extra giveaways. You guys can still work with us and we can do things for you. But anyways, the next person right now that pays in full for a Diamond Lifetime membership, first time we've ever offered this, ever, is going to get a one-on-one with Ange. First time she's right now. First time we've ever done this.
That's amazing.
Yep.
Oh, nice.
Wow.
Yep.
Angela, I want one.
So Right now, the next person who buys, pays in full, gets the Diamond Lifetime Membership. Listen, if you want it, just say I'm doing it right now so that we don't get 10 people doing it and everybody's like, well, I want one and I can't fulfill it because it's one. So right now, the next person right now that gets the Diamond Lifetime Membership is going to get a one-on-one with Ange. You need to tell me verbally if you want it. We'll hold it for you for this right now. Can't stress that enough. It has to be now so we can get it done and out of the way. We'll wait. Go ahead.
Coach, can I get a refund on my current one and get it now?
No, you can't, but I love your face. I love everything.
Anybody who's listening, Ange is freaking amazing.
She
This
really
woman
is.
is my hero.
Yeah, she's awesome. She helped us set up that whole futures area. She got us kick-started, was over there for a long time doing all the things. Now she's over there helping every day with Mark and Ralph and everybody over in the futures room. Yeah, if you guys have ever been interested in futures, you would be an absolute fool to not buy the diamond right now. I mean, absolute fool. She is going to be our next millionaire. And you've got my name on it when I say that. Didn't I tell you that was going to happen with Mark? I said that, right? When he started to get success and doing like a K a day. Didn't I say that?
You did.
Bam!
100%, Coach.
Yep. So I appreciate it. All right, the next person now. We'll wait. I'll give you 10 seconds and we'll move on. The next person who says it right now is going to get a one-on-one with Ann. She's never done that before. Ever. You better take it.
I'll take it, Coach.
Done. There it is. Who was it so I can mark it?
You want my Zoom name or?
Discord name will be easier so we can see it when it pops up.
Discord name. That's a good question. I think it's Cowfifi.
All right, no worries. Go ahead and head over there now. The links will be in the stock lounge. There it is. Miranda just posted it in the stock lounge. And that is gone. Nice job. Appreciate
All right,
you.
heading over there now. Thanks.
All right. Thank you very much. Ange, we appreciate you. Ange,
Absolutely.
Ange, just what amazing, beautiful, humble, good-looking, courageous, strong, talented, good kids.
Angela.
Dave.
That's a lot. Might have went a little overboard on that right there. But anyways, if that isn't an introduction, I don't know what is.
Let me get you a broom, Coach. Let me get you a broom.
Yeah, that's a lot. That was a lot, but thank you. I appreciate that. And I know that's
Anytime.
that'll help somebody a lot. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's nice. That's at 8:27. By the way, we had another. Who was it? We had somebody else this morning. John, we see you. John also got the Diamond Lifetime Membership this morning. John, are you in here? Big John?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
Thank you, Coach.
Absolutely. Moderators, do me a favor. I know I didn't announce it today, but can you do me a favor? Grab John and give him a free one-on-one with a moderator. $500 value. For free. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach.
You got it, partner. I appreciate your business. Got in at the buzzer beater. The last opportunity. I like the way you roll, John. Nice, nice. All right. That's an exciting morning. Let's see what else is going on. I can see NVIDIA has pulled back from that 143.84. I remember I had it marked at 141.50. And where did it bounce this morning? Where'd that bounce? 141.60. I have 141.54 marked on my screen. It bounced at 141.60. See it? That's nice. Nice, nice. We got a runner. We got a runner. Let me check. Hold on before
I've been riding the heck out of it, Coach.
Let me look.
ALZN.
Yeah, not a lot of volume though. So I'm not
Oh
gonna.
man,
Yeah, not a
it
lot
was
of
a
volume.
good trade.
Yep, 131K. If we start to see that volume get over about 500K, laser focusing on ALZN above 500K volume, right?
It's got 6.39 volume.
Oh, does it? Hold on.
And
I might have something in the way.
It's
Oh,
low
yep,
float,
my bad.
low float,
Yep,
low
thank you.
float in phase 2
Yep,
trials.
yep, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Sorry, I had my big old screen in the way. I apologize. Thank you. Let me get rid of some of these. There we go. Now I can see. All right, there we go. Yeah, ALZN. Yep, absolutely. Good job. Good job.
If only there was one place you could get pre-market money makers looking at the setup for the day.
Oh, I know.
Huge educational offers. Is that possible, Coach? Is it even possible?
It's there's only one place you can do all this. I can tell you that.
You already know where it is, baby.
ADT.com.
Thank you.
American Dream Trading.
Yes. .com. Thank you. People will be going to ADT and trying to sign up for security service so they can get a deal on their shares.
Oh yeah.
If you're gonna do it right, Richard. Gotta say the whole name, baby.
That's right.
I'm in training.
Green Trading.
That's right. It's funny because one of my license plates on our vehicle says ADT on it, and everybody thinks it's the security system. Like, no, I'm not the owner of ADT security system. That's the first thing they think of. I'm like, nope, nope, nope.
Yeah, I get all kinds of spam mail for it now.
Yeah, really. What do we
I'm
got?
off to futures. You guys have a great day.
Awesome. Thank you so much again,
Sure.
Ange. We appreciate you.
Yeah, no problem.
What a rock star. Freaking love her. She's amazing.
Isn't it
I don't care
security though,
what
Coach?
I don't care what Dawn says about her. She's an amazing
Dawn
person.
loves her. Wait a minute, let me. You know what I mean.
I do. I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it.
Hey, Coach, if you ever start selling 101s with Ange, I would like one of those.
Yeah, absolutely. And maybe that's something in the future that we work out with her, right?
Cool.
Yep, absolutely. Let's see, it's 8:31. We're going to go live here in about 30 minutes. About 30 minutes here to go live. Even though we're live, but typically we'd go live in 30 minutes.
I was confused. I'm like, I thought we were live.
Yeah.
Yes, I almost fell for that too.
Yeah. What I don't know. We'll see. I might kill this session here in about 15 minutes and then bring it back up at 9 o'clock just so I can get out of this truck for a minute and walk around. I've got this big 7.5 pound laptop on me, smoking me out. I might just get out of this truck for a couple minutes, stretch my legs, come back in and fire the whole machine back up and run it for another couple hours.
And that gives us time for pre-market, so that's good. Good timing.
Absolutely. And everybody, again, right, this is the very end of this sale. So get your diamond lifetime memberships. Seriously, you're not going to get this again. So I appreciate everybody that got in. Hopefully you will all see and tell others how amazing it is so that when I move it back to $20,000, they still think it's a value. Listen, I still think it's a steal at 20K. You're not going to get this type of training anywhere. You'll be able to make payments on it. 4 payments of $5,000 each, I believe, is what we had it set for. So don't worry if you don't get it today. You can do the 4 easy payments of 5K. You can just pay 4 times instead of once today. But I hear you. Some of you will wait. Some of you will do exactly what I tell you Tesla at 104 is a steal. Some of you, when I've been telling you about NVIDIA literally for years, it's a steal. Carvana, SoFi, AI, all the things we talk about, and I tell you it's a steal. I'm telling you right now, American Dream Trading's Diamond Lifetime Membership is a fire sale steal. So whether you want... Soxel, thank you. Yeah, whether you wanted to listen to anything I've ever said over the last 3 Bitcoin, Mara, Riot, all the Yield Max stocks. If you didn't want to listen to me then, you better listen to me now, because this is it. I'm telling you right now, this is absolutely rock bottom, amazing, ridiculously stupid, what the hell pricing. 4 more people, because I do 5 a day, 4 more people that get the Diamond Lifetime membership, I will give you a free one-on-one with a moderator that is a $500 value. I will throw that in there for the next 4 people. I'm going to take off for a couple minutes. I'll be back. Anybody that's watching live, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. I'll be back here in about 25 minutes. Going to stretch my legs, hang out, maybe sign some autographs here for the locals, take a couple pictures with the families while I'm out here. Maybe do a couple of tours, get some people in the Cybertruck, let them, do all the things. And then I'll be back in 25 minutes.
Hey, Coach.
Yeah, go ahead.
Isn't there also a $1,000 giveaway you're doing?
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. The free $1,000 giveaway, which we will post in the stock channel. That's going on Saturday. That's an automatic drawing, free for anybody to enter. Literally free for anybody to enter. Now, here's what's crazy. There's only 200 people that have entered. This will be the highest chance you will ever have, as long as you live, to win $1,000 cash. There's only 200 people that's in that. Literally. You will never, ever have better odds to win $1,000 cash than you will with my free giveaway. Go over, do the things, click the buttons. It'll literally take you under a minute to do it. ALZN, by the way, running. ALZN. Absolute blast off here. Called out live during our stream. ALZN up over $1 since I called this out. All right, love your faces, everybody. Oh, and everybody, by the way, remember, since the point I said up until the sale is over Friday, when I shut this down, we're gonna spin the wheel, and one lucky person. You have all been entered automatically this week for the Diamond Lifetime membership. One lucky person is going to get a one-on-one with me. That's a $6,000 value. So that is still out there for grabs. If you get this diamond, you're automatically entered. Little something extra for you. All right, I'm out. I'll be back in 24 minutes. See ya. See ya. See ya. Squirrel. 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 Squirrel.